And welcome again, everybody. Gary Thorne along with Bill Clement as we get set for this tilt.
Gary, looking forward to it. A couple of teams both have something to prove. This should be a good one.
To Phillips. To Phillips. Quick shot. Big opportunity, but that one wide of the net.
Nope, no credit for a shot on goal on that rip.
Puts that one on the tape. Scoring chance. Tremendous hit. Defense is on him. That bouncing puck away at center ice. Hey, how about that move? He kind of dangled a little bit. You'll see that on NHL tonight. Well, I'll tell you something, early on, they are really aggressive on this forecheck. We've got a penalty to be called. Good poke movement. Controls at the point. Puts that off the blocker. Good clearing effort by the penalty killers. Richards. To Phillips. To Phillips. To Koivu. Good effort. Lugs it. Carries it. Offensive end. That lumbered did him in right there. He had a good chance to shoot.
Did him in. Did him wide on the play. Not much control.
Koivu. Carries that in front. Has the loose puck. Blocker on it. Knocks it away. Richards. Good quick pass right there. We talk about offensive pressure. That's about as good as it gets done, and they didn't get a thing.
Well, a little bit of help maybe. I mean, he could use it.
This player, he gets a shot that he wants in a game, and you don't get the goal as a result. You just shake your head going, how did he make that save? Cleared by the penalty killers. Koivu needs to move it. One last rush for this power play. Turned over in the zone. Off the blocker. Richards. Up the wing to Phillips. To LaFlamme. Big time wrist shot. Uses the blocker. Phillips. Turned over. To Phillips. Oh, he wristed that one. Gets down low. Good save. He got in pretty close that time, but nowhere to go. Koivu. Puck loose. Picks it up. To Johnson. Ovechkin. And there's the whistle on the offside. Over 6 minutes left here in the first period. Nobody's found the back of the net so far in this one. To Schofield. There's the shot. Good save. Didn't intend it, but it's blocked. Keeps it alive behind the net. Able to control that right at the point. There's a stand-up block for you, and he saw it coming and didn't flinch. Has control. To Phillips. Takes the shot. He scores! Hayes to LaFlamme. He's got to back up. He's going to carry this one in. Picks that puck up in front of his own net. Phillips to Richards to Schofield. Gets it down low. Tremendous hit right there. Both of them are going to feel that one. Phillips Phillips' ability to control the puck tonight has not been good.
Just forcing it a little bit. Still, go for the safe play. Don't try the low percentage one.
And he'll stop play with that coverage of the puck. Bill, that's about as hard as you can shoot a slap shot. That's a beauty. And the save was still made. Able to come away with the puck here right in front of his own net. And that's as entertaining a first 20 as you're going to see. Man, they were flying. We end it at 1-0. We have seen everybody perform the way they're supposed to in a hockey game so far in this one.
Gary, I don't care if you're a casual fan or a hardcore fan. You got to love this game.
A big late goal. Those are backbreakers. And right now it's the difference as we head into this break. Here's the draw for period number 2. To Ovechkin. Shoots. Oh, what a shot. Scores. That's a nice goal. Quick, hard wrist shot.
And Gary, this guy's got such a flashy glove. You know he was going for the highlight reel. Instead, all he got was air.
That last goal has increased the lead. The question is whether or not they back off so much they don't maintain it.
Well, I think it'll depend on this. Can the team with the lead be solid enough defensively to hold it? They don't need any more goals.
He'll control that puck in front of his own net to Phillips. To Schofield. 2-on-2 on the rush. Offensive chance. That's a great place for a shot. Got where he wanted to be for the opportunity, but Bill not close.
Might have flipped up on him. I mean, I can't imagine why he would have missed high there.
To Johnson. There's a wrist shot. Makes the pad save to Richards. Able to pick that one up. Big time effort. That's the offensive zone. Snatched that one. Nice glove save. Under 5 minutes gone in the second. Laflamme's goal here in the second period's increased that lead to 2. Big differential here in the second period. To Carter. Pass intercepted. Koivu's retrieved. A new stick back on the ice. Oh, there's a shot in goal scoring area. Save. A lot of trouble right there if that gets intercepted. To Carter. Good sheet of ice right there all the way up to the point. Nice glove save and a shot that came in a good opportunity. Quick shot. That's a goal-scoring effort right there. Off the pad. Big-time shot. Scoring opportunity denied. Nice use of the pads. To Carter. On the charge. 3-on-2. Oh, what a save to Phillips. Great hit right there, but a dangerous place right into the stanchion.
You want to talk about coming to a sudden stop, Gary? That'll make it happen.
Big snapshot. Scores! 3 goals unanswered now. Ovechkin's wrist shot, that had something on it all the way in from that high slot.
And Garrett took a pretty good shot because this goalie is decent high to the glove side.
We spend a lot of time talking about the next goal. Well, that one that was just scored may have been that next goal.
Yeah, just about put them away. I mean, maybe these other guys need a fight. They need something to change the momentum because they've got nothing going for them.
To Schofield.
Time of the goal, 10 minutes, 43 seconds.
In his own zone, looking for a little room, takes it back in behind the net. 2-on-2 the other way. Chance, save. Ovechkin. To To Phillips. To Schofield. Nice quick snap. Save. To Ovechkin. Breaks that up with a stick. And there's a stoppage in play. That's going to be whistled on the offside. Schofield's making a special contribution tonight.
Yeah, he really is. I mean, you've got to contribute any way you can, and blocking shots before it even gets to the goaltender, that's huge.
And we're waiting on a penalty to be called. Laflamme's being assessed a 2-minute minor tripping.
Accidental or not, it doesn't matter in the ref's eyes. This is 2 for tripping.
Johnson.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty, 15 minutes, 6 seconds.
Schofield's thinking about picking up his physical play, huh?
And Gary's going to pick up his team. This could be a momentum shift the way he hits.
Oh, look at that move. In the zone. Great chances. What moves? In the slot. Look out. Shot. Kick save and a good scoring opportunity. Carter. Cleared the zone just in time. They were coming offensively. Goalie's going to play this one. He picks up the loose puck. To Richards. To Phillips. Up the wing side to Schofield. Carter. He'll clear it out. Power play chance running out. There's an offensive opportunity. Point blank opportunity, and he knocks it away. Wrist shot on off the pad. Richards' opportunities to intercept tonight have not gone by the wayside. Hayes. Hard work up against the wall. About to close the second period out. One way to try and turn it around. If you're behind like this, get physical. Quick shot. That shot is going to be blocked as it hit him. I don't think he realized it till after the fact. That concludes our second period of play. 3-0 after 2. Watching these players go at it, this is professionalism at its highest level.
Yeah, these guys are playing really well and really hard. I mean, you can't ask for more than what we've seen.
For tickets to one of the most exciting competitions this season, check our website out or call us here at the stadium.
Schofield's taking one for the team more than often here.
Well, he's taking one for the team and stopping a bunch for the goalie.
And with that, we are underway here in the third. Settle back and see if these two can get it done in the third period. Nice save with a glove. I think he thought he was going to score on that one. That'll be gloved. Richards. Johnson to Carter. Looking back to the point. He shoots, he scores! And that's his second of the night. Laflamme's shot coming in that low slot area, no chance for the goaltender.
Oh, he was in desperation mode, but it did not work.
With that goal scored at the start of the third period, the offense, which we saw working so well early in the game, continues.
Yeah, and if there was any chance, or at least any thought the other team had of getting back into the game, they can forget about it.
To Schofield. Lugs that one through center ice. Hangs on to that one in the offensive zone. Loose puck, and he gains control of it. There's a missed shot over the net. Trying to free that up.